Now let's talk about influential points, the master points. 8 influential or master points. REN 12 is for young or hollow organs. Number 13 for yin and solid organs, yin or solid organs. REN 17 for respiratory organs. GB34 for muscles and tendons. Lung 9 for blood vessels. GB39 for marrow. UB11 for bone. And UB17 for blood. These points treat groups of organs with similar functions and are very useful additions to the treatment. For instance, it is customary to treat all arthritis patients with points UB11 and GB34 to support the joints. Older patients with arthritic problems are also given GB39 for possible osteoporosis. GB39 is given for problems of both brain and bone marrow. It can be used for the treatment of anemia along with UB17, the influential point of blood. Then GB39 is the point of choice in the therapy of neuralgia, paralysis, neuritis, and nerve atrophy. REN17 is used for problems of the respiratory system and also the skin. The skin is our third lung. All skin diseases, diseases of nose and throat, asthma and acute and chronic lung infections are treated on this point. Then for 12 and liver 13 are for problems of yang or yin organs and should not be confused with yin or yang diseases. For instance, chronic diarrhea with abdominal pain can be treated with REN 12. Problems with the heart, liver, or kidneys are treated with liver 13, regardless of whether these symptoms are yin or yang dominant in nature. Lung 9 is very useful in arteriosclerosis, venous disease, varicose veins, and others. Now we have cookbook or combinations of points. One can make easy point combinations using the above-mentioned simple rules. Some examples are as follows. So we have case number 1, headache on side of head with vomiting. For local points, use GB8 extra 2, 1 local point. Area distal point, use Li4. Then meridian distal point, use GB41. Symptomatic points, GB20 for headache, pericardium 6 for vomiting. Influential points, GB34 for tension headache, and GB39 for neuralgia type headache. Case number 2, pain in stomach with nausea and distension. For local points, use 13 REN 12 and stomach 21. Area distal point, use pericardium 6. Meridian distal point, use stomach 36. Symptomatic points, use stomach 25 for distension, pericardium 6 for nausea, and influential point, use REN 12 for young organs. To these point prescriptions, you should now add the energy balancing points.